Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and I'm laughing because gold is comfortably trading above 4,000. In fact, gold broke 4,000 a long time ago, and right now we can see that gold is heading towards 4,100. Unbelievable. Okay, but we need to accept it and we need to plan our trades accordingly. So those who have been holding buy on gold, okay, you must be very happy because you must have made a good profit, because many of you have already shared screenshot emails, okay, where WhatsApp messages that you have been holding gold from 3,000 3,500 3,600. In fact, I also received an email where someone was holding gold from 2,700. Oh my god. Anyways, this is the current situation, and as we all know, there is no sign of retracement. Obviously, at one point, market will reverse, but only God knows, okay, when the market will reverse. As of now, gold is bullish, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. And if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold tops 4,000 on safe haven demand. Gold surpassed 4,000 per ounce on Wednesday, reaching a fresh milestone as investors fled to safety amid global economic uncertainties amid a dovish outlook for the US rates. US government shutdown, now it's on second week. Okay, this is also causing a big trouble. Has delayed key economic data, complicating assessments of the US economy's health. So things are very complicated right now, because of which gold is super bullish. And as we all know, technically gold should have been okay. Gold should have come for retracement a long time ago. Okay, but things are different now. Okay, so if you have any buy right now, okay, you need to continue your buy. You can hold your buy easily with trailing stop loss. You can just put your stop loss below 4,000 level and just enjoy holding your gold, because sky is the limit. And if you're looking for fresh position in a market, then we will follow the same old strategy that we have been following for more than 1 year. Buy at dip. Okay, buy at dip. If market doesn't come for retracement, then we can look for buy at breakout. Okay, so where are the levels then? You can see that I have drawn many lines here. Okay, practically the levels like 3950, 3948 are irrelevant, because chances of market coming down to these levels are very less. Then we also had a support around 396365. This is also irrelevant right now, because market is trading far away from the current market price. So where we have the immediate support, we have the immediate support around 4,000 area. This 4,000 area, because the previous resistance will be working as support, and also psychological stuff means 4,000 round number, so market will provide psychological support here as well. So if market drops during the day, we can look for support around 4,000 level. Okay, but the problem is that market is super bullish. Market is not coming down for proper retracement. So in a situation like this, we can also look for support around the minor levels as well. For example, we also have a support around 4,500. We also have a support around 4014. These are minor levels. In normal circumstances, these levels are not at all important. But today, we can see that okay, these levels are also coming into the scene, because if we wait for the major levels, we won't get an. So 4,000 is the best level, or around 4,000 we have the best support. But as a day trader, we can also look for support around 4,005, 401314. And you can also look for some support around 4020 as well, because 4,005 also seems to be far away from the current market price. So right now we can see the market is showing signs of retracement. If market takes support on 4020, we can look for a buy position. But my dear friends, you need to be cautious, because gold has been super bullish for a long time. At one point, listen to me carefully, at one point market will trap buyers, because those who will be entering at the top, okay, will be trapped. So do not trade without stop loss, because when the reversal or the correction will come, okay, it will be very fast. So at one point your one SL may be hit, but keep in mind your one SL, one stop loss, should not take away all the profit. Okay, so trade with stop loss and with caution. Do not go for big loss now. And If market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously market will be going up. Okay, as we all know, okay, if market doesn't come for retracement, we can buy at breakout. So here also same strategy. If market doesn't come for retracement to 4020 4020 okay, 4014 area, then we can look for buy above 4039. Okay, and as I always say, my dear friends, before buying, okay, buying at breakout, okay, always check whether market has consolidated or not. For example, okay, right now we can see that gold is showing a small red candle. Okay, if the consolidation continues for at least 1 hour, okay, then there's a high chance that this breakout will be powerful. This breakout will be real, because okay, there is also a problem of false breakout in trading, isn't it? So to save yourself from false breakout, always look for prior consolidation before a breakout. If market consolidates for 1 to 2 hours, then the breakout is trustworthy. If you see that okay, there is no consolidation, simply market going up, then it's a little bit riskier. But right now gold is unpredictable. Okay, and obviously, okay, at one point, okay, this same level 40274, sorry, 403738 also will act as the new support. Just make sure, my dear friends, okay, if market continues the upside like this, okay, you just need to, okay, you just need to mark the previous resistance, because if you want new positions, you can enter at previous resistance when it will become the new support. I'm teaching you guys because obviously market will change during the day, so that you can trade at various levels. Previous resistance will become support, then you can enter. Okay, and one more thing I would like to add here is that, okay, or just a reminder, do not forget market is trading at the top. At one point market will trap buyers. So when your one SL will be hit, do not lose everything or all the profit from the hard work. Gold has already given us plenty in the last few days. We have made good profit, isn't it? Okay, so do not lose everything in one bad trade. So be careful, do not go for big lots right now. And those who are thinking about resistance, okay, please be careful, because see, gold is bullish right now. There is no indication of reversal. If you are thinking that how far gold will go, then that is suicidal, because nobody can predict the top and bottom of the market. Okay, if you are thinking that okay, you can make a good money when gold will drop, that is a very bad strategy. Because obviously, okay, so obviously many people make money, because you cannot make money, okay, always going against the trend of the market, because nobody knows, okay, when the market will reverse. So it's better and safer to follow the trend always. Trend is your friend.